Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delisamaee. I have been away for so many weeks, and let me tell you guys, I am so happy to be back in this chair. Now, if you guys take a look around, you can see that I am in a new space. So, that is why I've been gone for a couple of weeks. For today's video, I thought we would have a little bit of fun and dive into the Born Pretty Cat Eye nail polish. Now, this current set that I am rocking is the Born Pretty Cat Eye, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I hadn't used it, like I ordered it a couple months ago, and I finally was able to sit down and do a tutorial, do a video for you guys, and I absolutely fell in love. Normally, I feel like with cat eye gel polishes, it's nice to do a base coat, but with this, baby, you only need one base coat and then you are ready for your second, and then you're throwing on that cat eye design. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Delisamaee and I am a licensed nail technician. On YouTube, I love to post shorts of how you can live life with long nails. So if you're more into that short content, don't forget to take a look at those. Without further ado, subscribe to the channel. If you are already subscribed, I am so thankful. I would not be here without your support. So share the video to somebody who might like nail art, nail content, and we are gonna dive right in. Again, I am so excited. This will be the very first time that I'm actually using the Born Pretty brand. So I really don't know what to expect because this will be our first time trying it. So of course, as we are opening the packaging, we can see our 6 different colors. We have stickers, which I'm not really sure what these are for. I don't know if it's to like help label the colors or what, I'm not sure. But we are taking a look at just how to create the beautiful cat eye. The first 2 pages will be just how to accomplish a standard manicure. So it's always good because prep is really, really important for long lasting nails. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take them all out. You guys already know with my nail tutorials, I like to take them all out. I like to see what that polish consistency looks like, and then diving right into the polishes. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you guys get just as sucked in to Temu's website as I did, because let me tell you, I spent at least a couple of hours searching through all the different type of nail products that they have. Now, I normally stick to products like gems. I bought this really cute nail caddy that has a couple different shelves, and it like kind of rolls around on the ground, and it's so nice and not expensive when you're just looking for, you know, like nail products. So like later today I have a soak off, and I bought like a little bowl for my client to be able to soak her acrylics off. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys, it's only like $20 for like 100 things. So wild. But we're jumping into the first color of the 6 different polishes, and I can already tell you I am going to love how this goes onto the swatch. The first time this brush touches this swatch, I am already in love with the full coverage. This is the first coat. Absolutely beautiful. I cured that for about 30 seconds, and then we are going in with the second coat. Now, before you cure the second coat, you want to make sure that you have a nice even layer, because we're going to grab our magnet, and you can see how easy it is to manipulate. And you guys, it's absolutely beautiful. I am getting so excited, making sure you guys can see what it looks like shimmering from left to right. And look at that. That is our first beautiful color. For our number 2 Milky Cat Eye, it is giving kind of like a gold nude, and the polish is looking beautiful coming out of that bottle. And going in with our first layer, again full coverage, looking stunning. Gonna cure that baby for about 30 seconds. Now you always want to double check to read the manufacturer guidance on curing your polishes, because sometimes you might need a cure for 60 seconds or 90 seconds depending on what you're working with. And here is our second coat, and I'm just making sure to get all of the corners so that when I am ready to grab that magnet to start manipulating, it will evenly move across the entire nail. So you can see that half crescent is shining, shining, shining. It looks beautiful. And so I'm just making sure that the magnet is parallel to the nail or the swatch. And it is stunning, you guys. I don't know. I feel like I need to find more descriptive words because it is absolutely beautiful. For all my nail baddies out there that like their classic pink, their ballerina pink, this one is for you. This one is a number 3. And I love it because it is very cute. It is very quaint. And of course, when you put that first layer, you can see, like, is it pink? It's like, yes, it absolutely is. And it is just the perfect kiss of shimmer. And I love it. So curing that bad baby for 30 seconds. But I am curious, what colors are you guys feeling so far? You gotta let me know down in the comments. Is this a type of polish that you would wear? Is this, are you even into cat eye? I feel like it's been trending so much lately that I can't help but continue making videos on cat eye. But beautiful. You can see how those magnets just kind of push off to the side. And number 3, you are coming in hot. So as you guys have noticed, I have been offline for the last couple of weeks, and I'm not gonna lie, I have been so stressed, so tired, and it sucks because it keeps me from being able to make content for you guys. Of course, you guys, I've been posting my shorts, which is obviously a lot easier for me because I am, doing the recording. I'm also doing the editing and making music for these videos specifically. So I just appreciate your guys' patience. I appreciate you guys still engaging in the short content. Eventually, I would like to get on a regular schedule to go live. I feel like, being able to communicate with you guys in real time would be so much fun and definitely different for the channel. So thank you for being patient. There is so much more to come when it comes to the channel, and I just I'm so grateful that you guys are still here, sticking with me by my side, even though it has been a rough couple of weeks, but we're back, regularly scheduled program, and I'm just happy to be, doing things that make me happy, which is creating content and making videos for you guys. In that last bit, I used the square side of the cat eye just to kind of show you guys what a line would look like going through. But I am just loving like the shimmer that comes from the like half crescent moon. I think it just shows the cat eye and its full potential. The line is nice too, but number 4 coming in looking stunning. So pretty, you guys. Love it. I would have to say that number 5 might have to be my favorite. I was born in May, so I am very partial to the color green. As you can see on my current nail set, it's like a blue, but when you catch it right, it is almost like hints of green. So number 5 is so pretty. It's like a light green. And my birthstone is emerald, if you guys didn't know that, for the month of May. So any kind of greens, springtime is my favorite, right? May showers bring May flowers. So I just love the way that it's going on. I could honestly just use this with like the regular polish, not doing the cat eye. But when you see the effect that the cat eye has onto the nail itself, it looks so good. So I'm just going in, slapping on that second top coat. No. The second layer of the number 5 polish. And then going in with the magnet. I think I had to cut it because there was like a little piece of hair on it, so I just took off the piece of hair. But look, it's also like hints of teal and it looks really pretty. I don't know, you guys tell me, do you like number 5 as much as I like number 5? If you do, y'all better let me know down in them comments. But yeah, look at it, just look at it. Stunning, born pretty, cat eye. We are on to our very last color. This color I actually used on my most recent client that came in yesterday. She was feeling blue. The blue was calling to her, Miss E. We love you out here on the channel, but we can see it's giving like an aquatic or like aqua beautiful shine. So we're going to cure it for 30 seconds and then we're going to dive right into the second layer. And you guys, when I put this on E's nails, it literally looks like water. We added like a couple of silver gems and they're absolutely stunning. I will leave a short here for you guys to check that out, but take a look. It's giving waves, it's giving bluey, it's giving cat eye. But it looks so good and so excited for number 6. As we wrap up these stunning 6 Born Pretty cat eye gel polishes, you already know that we love our Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat. I love using this top coat for my clients. I love using it for like isolated chrome. As we can see, top coating all of these will seal the cat eye polish to ensure that we have the most long lasting gel manicures for our swatches and our clients. So as we go through, I'm doing a nice even layer of the Kiara Sky and it looks so good, you guys. I am so happy with how they all turned out. When they're all next to each other, like I said, it's giving Sailor Scouts, it's giving Sailor Moon, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and take a look at these beautiful colors one last time. It's so intimidating ordering products that you've never tried online. I got these on Amazon and this is not a sponsored ad, so I'll make sure to just leave the price or like the link down in my description so that if you guys want to try these yourselves, you guys will have the opportunity. And then if you do, please tag me in the videos or in the nail art that you guys create, because if it is easy for me to create this stunning, simple cat eye, I already know it's going to be simple and easy for you guys too. So I'm excited to add these to the swatch collection of all the different brands and polishes that we have. And I am so excited. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a little nail emoji so I know who you are. Didn't I tell you this cat eye by Born Pretty is absolutely stunning? As you can see, manipulating with the magnet with this gel polish is so easy. And I'm not sure what they use for their formula, but I also like the consistency of the gel polish itself as well. Earlier, I had mentioned that you only need one base coat of whichever color you're going to use for the cat eye. And then when you go in with that second coat, it's absolutely stunning and covers the entire nail completely, and it's beautiful. So, you guys will have to let me know down in the comments which one your favorite color is. And if you have any recommendations of any brands or specific polishes that you guys would like me to try that I haven't tried on the channel yet, please also let me know down in the comments. I've been a licensed nail technician for the last couple of years, and I feel like they're coming out with so many different types of products. It's hard for me to keep up. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you had fun, if you learned something new, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.